What is a put option? Well, it's basically a financial contract that gives the buyer the rights, but not the obligation, to sell an amount of stock at a predetermined price. Well, what does that mean? First, you have your day that the contract expires, and next you have the strike price. We'll pick $25. If the stock drops below $25, you're agreeing to pay 16 cents per share to sell the stock at 25 when it could be valued even less. The contract is for 100 shares, so you're not actually paying 16 cents, you're actually paying $16. If the price of Snapchat ends over $25, your call was incorrect and your option will expire worthless. If the price of Snapchat goes below $25, you can choose to sell the contract early for more than you bought it for initially, or you can choose to sell your 100 shares at $25.